So you downloaded the app, you talked to the AI at 2 a.m. It helped. The panic subsided. You felt heard. But now there's a new danger. It feels too safe in there. The bot never judges you, never interrupts, and never has a bad day. The real world, it's messy, it's loud, and it's scary. Today we're talking about the comfort trap and how to use that AI support not as a hiding spot, but as a launch pad back into your real life. Let's be honest about why we prefer the screen sometimes. Real relationships are hard work. People misunderstand you, they get tired, they have their own baggage. An AI chatbot is a mirror that always reflects what you want to see. It's easy to get addicted to that validation. You might find yourself typing out your feelings for an hour, feeling better, but then realizing you haven't spoken to a living soul in 3 days. That's not healing, that's isolation disguised as self-care. If we only practice vulnerability with a machine, our social muscles start to atrophy. We forget how to handle an awkward silence or confused look. We need to shift your mindset. The bot is the gym. The real world is the game. You don't live in the gym. You go there to get strong enough to play. So how do we bridge the gap? We use a technique behavioral psychologists call gradual exposure. We're going to use the AI as a rehearsal space, not a final destination. Here are 3 steps to try this week. 1. The script and ship. Use the bot to draft difficult texts or conversations. Let's say you need to tell a friend you're hurt. Type it to the AI first. Ask, does this sound clear? Once you get the feedback, send the text to the human. Don't let the conversation die in the app. Use the app to build the courage to hit send. 2. The micro interaction. If social anxiety is high, the AI is your warm-up. Spend 5 minutes chatting with the bot to get your thoughts organized. Then, immediately go have a low-stakes human interaction. Buy coffee. Ask a librarian a question. Say hi to a neighbor. Prove to your brain that you can speak and be understood by a person, even if it's brief. 3. The reality check. Limit. Set a hard boundary. If you've been chatting with the bot for 20 minutes, stop. Ask yourself, is this solving the problem or am I just avoiding a real action? If it's avoidance, close the app. Do one physical thing, wash a dish, take a walk, pet the dog. Break the digital loop. The goal isn't to be perfect socially, the goal is to be present. I gives you logic. Humans give you warmth. A bot can tell you how to calm down, but it can't hold your hand. It can't give you a hug that regulates your nervous system. You will feel awkward when you start reaching out to people again. You might stumble over your words. That is okay. That awkwardness is just evidence that you are trying. The bot is your training wheels. Eventually, you have to ride the bike. And here is the truth. A clumsy, awkward conversation with a real friend is worth infinitely more than a perfect conversation with a server. Because the friend can actually love you back. Clear takeaway. Use the tools. Let them help you survive the night. But when the sun comes up, put the phone down. Take a breath. Step outside. The world is waiting for you, not the version of you that types on a screen. You're ready for the real thing. See you out there.